That thing is loud. You guys see his new exhaust? What is up, guys? We are back with another video, boy. We got like 2 POVs going on down below my foot. Don't know if y'all can see that. Probably can't. And on my chin. Just got off work, everybody. I am tired as a mother. Take your time, boss. You ain't no rush. You don't gotta impress me. Guys, what do y'all want me to talk about? Don't really know what to talk about sometimes, so I just stay quiet. You know, my competition's in, oh shit, it's next week, next Saturday, and I'm not ready because, so at my work, like every half year we switch schedules, right? So to make it even, to make it fair for everybody else. So right now I have your back half, which is Wednesday through, what is it? Yeah, like Saturday night, you know. But then I switched to Sunday through Wednesday now. So I have a little bit better schedule, and I'll, you know, what's it called? Have the weekends off and shit. So, should have more time to ride. You know, get on the weekends and have some fun, meet up with some friends, do some more riding with. Driving so slow. Look at this cop up here. It's always funny seeing these little trucks without their back. It's so funny. I don't know how to say it, but they're cargo. I'm stupid. Low temperature. Is that what it stands for? Don't fall back on me, okay? I'ma die. That's one of my fears, man. When I'm riding, it's like one of these just falls back onto you. It's one of my biggest fears. Look at this Bohanka Lexus. I want a new car, man. I want a Porsche, but I ain't got no money for that. I got Porsche Taycan. Yeah, those are clean, bro. Or just get a Porsche Carrera or something, an old Carrera, a 2006 Carrera S or some shit. Poor man 911. You know what I'm saying? while to get home, everybody. That Beamer last night was just annoying. I'll post a video, of course. Of course. Ah, my nuts. Don't you dare to go. Let me through, boys and girls. Let me through. I didn't even. Oh, that's what I forgot to turn on. My music, Holmes. So cool seeing the lights up close, because like they're actually like bigger in size when they like bring it down to you, you know. I thought that was a person for a second. That scared the shit out of me. Just like it's like just spawned there. Hey, look at this trash ass air quality, man. I'm breathing this in while riding, bro. We home. Had to go nuts a little bit at the end because I just don't like traffic, guys. I only like riding when there's like clear roads. Do y'all get this a lot? Like all the rocks kick up on here, like a lot. Like a lot.